guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new, my name is Nikki. I vlog and make lifestyle, fitness, health, beauty, and fashion content here on YouTube. I'm like thinking about like my own little 30-second elevator pitch here. But anyways, if you are not already subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you here on the fam. I just got back from my first solid core workout class. I've never taken this class before. They actually invited a bunch of other influencers to try out their new location. So it was really, really good. The class was awesome. It was 50 minutes of kind of like full body, more of like a workout class type of Pilates, if that makes sense. It was like different than traditional Pilates in a sense, because we were doing like squats, lunges. I know you do those in Pilates as well, like regular Pilates, but I don't know, it was just more intense in my opinion. Although my Pilates instructor is kind of similar to that. It was kind of like Barry's boot camp plus Pilates put together, if that's the best way I can describe it. I have some laptop work I'm gonna start doing, and I'm gonna take my dog for a walk. I have an event this evening with Revolve, which is super exciting, and I just have like lots of editing and things to do, so that part might be kind of boring, but I'll take you guys along. They gave me a little goodie bag with all this stuff, like juices, this protein shake I already had, a coffee. Oh, they also gave me this like nut butter. This one, it has adaptogens in it. It's sunflower seed butter. It actually tastes like sunflower seeds a lot. I tried a spoonful of it, but it has like adaptogens in it. I believe it has like reishi, turkey tail, lion's mane, cordyceps. So it's pretty cool. I really like this. Also, this is kind of random, but I just want to share with you guys. I've been feeling a little down in the dumps recently. Like overall I'm happy, and like I felt really happy, and then these last like few days, like 2 or 3 days, I've been feeling like really overwhelmed, super anxious, and some of it like has merit and some of it is just out of the blue. But something that's been really helping me is, I know this sounds really corny, but like staying grateful and making a list, like a kind of a gratitude list of all of the things that I'm grateful for, and sitting down, taking time off social media. And because I also was just scrolling a lot and comparing and just like getting overwhelmed. I think for me it's more of a comparison of like, wow, all these people who are like in a similar position to me are doing all of these things, and like why am I not there, or like what am I doing wrong? And it really gets to your head and it makes you feel like, oh my god, what do I need to do? Like, and I feel like that mentality of like, oh my god, what do I need to do, like how do I get to that point, can oftentimes compromise our integrity, and not only like the quality of content that we put out, but also like the motives behind that content. And I never want that to be something that I do. And I will be honest with you guys, I have done that before, where I'm like, well, I want to grow my TikTok, or like I want to do blah blah blah, so like how can I do that in like a fast and easy way? And like again, it's just human nature to like want fast, easy results. So I found that like taking time away from the things that trigger me to feel that way is really important. I've been going for a lot of long walks with my dog, spending time in nature, listening to like happy, uplifting country music about like girls with flowy hair, and just like feeling confident, like corny stuff like that, that like really genuinely works. It really works. Getting yourself together, putting on some makeup, making a yummy satiating meal. Last night I watched Legally Blonde. It was fantastic. Like I actually had a wonderful night watching Legally Blonde. It made me so happy. So things like that like just kind of, if you have the luxury of having that time to take for yourself and pull yourself out of this whole bubble, and it is a bubble, it really is, like it feels like everybody is doing the same thing, or like everybody is like prospering and being successful and doing all of that, but that is a bubble. That is what your For You page is showing you, and it's really not everybody, and everybody is still struggling at the same time, even the people that are going through that. So just so you guys know, if you ever feel that, everybody's going through it. Just made a little brunch, and then my lovely friend Faith,
look at what I just did to myself.
Put on the wrong shade of foundation.
Help.
Why is it so yellow?
It's also like very pale.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on.
Do you have something I could mix with it?
Let me look. So Faithy just left. She just came over really quick. She did her makeup because she had an agency meeting, and it's close to my house because my house is kind of central. So we just hung out for a little bit. I ate my like brunch, and now I just have my planner, my laptop. I'm gonna light some candles. We're gonna romanticize our life. We are going to put Friends on in the background while I do my work. It's gonna be a great time. The sun is shining. We live in LA. Everything's great. This is me talking to myself because lately I'm telling you, like these last few days, I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm like happy as a clam when it really comes down to it. I'm like, I have nothing to complain about. Like my life is so great. Knock on wood. But at the same time, I'm like, something's making me like a little bit sad. You guys, how cute is this top that I just bought? It's from Zara, but I got it off Poshmark. I saw Rachel Radke was wearing in one of her vlogs. This was like months ago. It's an old vlog that I just watched, and I was like, I need that top. So I found it on Poshmark and I bought it. This is size small. I'm obsessed with this top. This is so cute. I feel like this cut is so flattering. I want all my tops to look like this. Oh my god, I love this. I'm very much still undecided on this outfit. These are like oversized trouser pants and then this really cute like little tie-up sweater knit top from Revolve. I thought like in theory this is cute, and like if I put heels on and stuff, like it's fine. It is cute. I don't know, like these pants, like they're intentionally ill-fitting, but I just don't understand. So we just left the Revolve event. It's freezing. We're waiting for the car. We're so hungry. I'm so excited to eat. We decided we're gonna split a bunch of shit. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what all we get. So the best part about this evening is the fact that I am currently wearing Uggs. It's the Uggs for me. I forgot my heels in the car. Well, I didn't really. I like intentionally forgot them. I was gonna change and then I was like, Allie kind of convinced me not to. And now I'm embarrassing her vlogging. Hi guys, I just finished a little workout and a walk, and now me and this little boy are just sitting here. I was FaceTiming with my mom. We are just talking about, it's just such a mentally tough few days with what's happening with Russia and Ukraine. I typically like to keep my channel such a positive space, but I also like to keep it real, and it's like from a Russian's perspective, there's just absolutely no excuse for what's going on, and my heart goes out to all our Ukrainian brothers and sisters. We love you so much. And I'm going to put a link to where you can support the Ukrainian army. I myself will be donating. And if there's anything else I can do that anybody knows about, please let me know, because I'm more than willing and happy to do it. We have so many friends with family that is still in Ukraine, and it's just absolutely horrible. And my mom mentioned something that, you know, I try to think about all the time, and take every day to be happy and be grateful, because, you know, yesterday I woke up thinking about all these problems that like I was making up in my own head about my life, when in reality, like, look what we have versus like some people who are fearing for their lives. I don't mean this to sound like out of touch, like, you know, I'm so happy for what I have, but in a place where you are essentially helpless and like you can't, there's nothing besides what I'm already doing that I can do, and you feel like, what can I do? Just for your own mental sanity, like having gratitude every day, because life is so crazy and so short, and you know, I feel like we take a lot of things for granted. I just got back, showered, the cleaning ladies just left. I cut up some leftover steak from last night for Dinky, and I'm about to make him some eggs with that. I am defrosting his other food. I like make him lean ground beef typically, so today he's getting a little bit more of a high-fat meal, but that's okay. It's Friday, we can treat ourselves. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna make my own breakfast. I think I'm also gonna do eggs and what's it called? A bowl of cereal. Steak and eggs for the little boy. And I have a spinach and cheese omelet and cereal with berries. You can't really see the cereal, but it's under there. Presentation is not my forte, so don't judge me, but I am excited to eat this. Just got ready for my casting. I just did some mascara, eyebrows, a little bit of cream blush and concealer. And I did my hair. I just blow dried it and then put a few like kind of wavy curls in it, and I'll show you guys my outfit as well. So here is the full outfit I'm wearing. This black turtleneck, black jeans, and boots. These are like cute little Dolce Vita booties. I'm also pouring myself a little celery juice for the road. I'm obsessed with this big Simple Modern cup for water. And then I have the smaller one that I use for like iced coffee or like juice for the road. Like any other kind of liquids besides water. So I'm gonna bring both with me for the trip. It's like about 40-ish minutes to get down there. I always like to get down early so I can figure out the parking situation, show up on time, be presentable. I feel like it's such a big tip to show up early. I remember, this is just speaking from my own personal experience, I shot with a pretty big brand when I first started modeling, and I showed up late because I didn't realize how long it was going to take me with traffic, and I didn't leave early enough. So I left like with just enough time, and by the time I parked, got in, went through their whole like security system, and then sat in the makeup chair, I was like 30 minutes late, and it looked really bad, and they never hired me ever again. So after that moment, I was like, never be late again, and I never was. Okay guys, I'm home from my casting. I just got a little package in the mail. Like a PR package. It's a bunch of cute clothes from a brand that I'm actually trying for the first time. Not sponsored, but they did gift this to me. So I am gonna try things on and show you guys, and you can tell me what you think. First thing, self-explanatory, super simple, basic, like little white tank. This is a really cute, like simple black bodysuit that I feel like I could wear to like castings or just honestly like with leather pants like out. This little gold top is super cute as well. It's like, there's like a little, it's asymmetrical. So like it has this little swoop. They sent me this one, which I love. It's so cool. It's like a turtleneck type of thing, and it's kind of like a sweater top. And then lastly, this super cute like terry cloth kind of dress. It ties in the top. I feel like this for summer will be really adorable. So I'll link the brand down below. This is really cute, so I love it. I love like neutral basic colors right now.
I like to bring in some of my Kevin's famous chili. The trick is